In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use food stamps on Doordash. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a SNAP or EBT card, you will be able to use it on eligible items inside of Doordash. All that you have to do is add it as a payment method on the Doordash app and browse through eligible items. So first, open the latest version of Doordash on your Android or iOS device, go over to your account tab and access your payment methods via the account settings. In there, you will be able to find the option to add SNAP or EBT card as a payment method. If you do not see that option, you will not be able to add a SNAP or EBT card and use food stamps on Doordash, so keep that in mind. You have to select this option. Immediately upon selecting Add SNAP or EBT card as a payment method, you will be able to input the details about the card, so the card number and any other relevant information. It is going to get verified, and if the details are valid and legitimate, it is going to appear under your saved payment methods. Now, all that you have to do is shop for eligible grocery items with your SNAP or EBT card. When you search for anything inside of Doordash, you will be able to choose and filter the items by SNAP eligible. So as you can see, you have this option at the top to filter all the items. When you select anything, you will also see if it is eligible to be used with SNAP when you see this icon under the price. So all that you have to do once you find SNAP eligible items is to add them to your cart, and once you have a full cart and you want to pay, proceed to checkout. Now, all that you have to do during checkout is to select the payment method and choose your saved SNAP or EBT card. You will see the balance available on the card, and you simply have to choose the amount for this purchase. It is going to get deduced from the purchase, and you can proceed and finish it directly through Doordash. As long as you were able to register it as a saved payment method, you can use food stamps on Doordash. I hope I was able to help you on how to use food stamps on Doordash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.